Okay, this is called bird shooting 2. Jacob's shooting one. This is Jacob. Jacob, aren't you squirting birds? He got one on target! Woo! I don't think there's any more you can shoot, Jacob. Oh. He shot it!
Hey, guys, Morgan! Watch it!
No problem. Keep going.
Watch it!
It's much rather go for the seagulls. It's way more important.
Yeah. I'm recording.
Look at my car!
We were shooting. Jacob, how do you feel like shooting birds?
I think it's awesome and it's totally nice to the birds.
And Nick shot a bird's feather off.
I did.
I wonder if they can feel that.
Yeah, they can. I saw them like struggling away. It isn't very humane to them, but it's fun.
We were shooting birds.
Did you catch any?
No,
No, we shot a feather off.
with water guns. He had a feather off.
We don't know where it is now.
I got some guy wet and he's like, hey.
Okay, there's birds on target. Just getting ready for success.
Come on, get a bit lower.
You should put food coloring so they can see it.
I think that I could do something better.
We just got shot by Nick.
Move it.
He's flying! He's actually flying! Oh.
They know there's trouble here. Stand still. Is there any behind me?
No. But there's a lot in front of you. What do you have to say about this?
I have to say this is adrenaline rushing. Hold on. Yeah, they know this lane is protected. All right, let's go back and fake that we're not protected.
Okay.
That way they'll get a false sense.
Okay, and the third one will come out soon. See ya.